Hello everyone. So today I have a message for you. Okay, the message which I was getting was about the story of माता द्रौपदी. ओके, तो अगर हम ये महाभारत की स्टोरी देखेंगे माता द्रौपदी की, वो इतनी सुंदर स्टोरी है कि माता द्रौपदी जो थी, शी वॉज अ पतिव्रता नारी. पतिव्रता मीन्स शी वॉज सो डिवोटेड टू हर हस्बैंड्स. Even having 5 husbands, she was a very pious lady. She never, you can say, never gossiped about one husband to another. She kept that harmony between all the husbands. Great lady, born out of fire, right? Out of Agni Dev. So she was very passionate woman, a very strong woman. Okay. इफ़ यू सी हर स्टोरी, अगर हम देखेंगे उनका जो स्टोरी है, कैरेक्टर है, इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, रेजिलियंट. इवन आफ्टर द वस्त्रहरण, राइट, शी हैड द करेज एंड द स्ट्रेंथ टू स्पीक आउट द ट्रुथ टू एवरीबडी. शी वॉज द वन हु वॉज डिमांडिंग जस्टिस, इन द कोर्ट ऑफ कुरु राज्यसभा में. शी वॉज द वन हु वॉज आस्किंग फॉर जस्टिस, राइट? When things were as per adharma, when adharma was done to her. So the story about her, if you see, she was a very great devoted lady, right? A great mother, a great figure in the history, having such great relations with Bhagwan Ji Shri Krishna, always called him Sakha, always, meant him to be the elder brother, God. And she was the one, when she realized that, when nobody is going to save her, then only Krishna Bhagwan is going to save her. Right? So that is the kind of devotion we should have towards the God. Ups and downs everybody goes through, struggles everybody goes through. The deepest struggles she had to face, endure, because इतना बड़ा जब पांडवों को वनवास भेजा गया, even she went there. It was not required that she goes there, but she went there so that she can serve the sages who come to the hermit, so that she was like a backbone, a pillar, an intuitive pillar and strength, because her intuition was so much to the point she knew that whenever Pandavas need guidance, I am there for them. So she's like that backbone of the Pandavas, right? She's that inner strength of the Pandavas. That is why she went, because she knew this is her dharma and her duty. So she has to leave the riches of this luxurious life and go and serve for, in the Vanvas period that her husbands needed her. Despite of the kind of thing, like they didn't stand up for her that time when she needed the most, but still she protected it. In fact, if you see one more story, जहाँ पे अश्वत्थामा ने द्रौपदी माता के 5 बेटों को मार दिया था, राइट? ये समझ के कि ये तो 5 पांडव है, बट एक्चुअली उनके बेटे थे. तब भी जब अर्जुन अश्वत्थामा को मारने गए, तब द्रौपदी माता ने रोक लिया और बोला नहीं, ये हमारे गुरु के बेटे हैं, इनको नहीं मारते, क्योंकि गुरु तो मर गए, इनके फादर तो मर गए, बट इनके बेटे को नहीं मारना है हमें. So that is a kind of grace she showed that time. Like her sons are killed, right? Anybody will want that my sons are killed. So, inko maar do. But she showed her grace, her compassion. This is what we have to learn from her. To be compassionate, to have resilience, to have trust and faith in the God, and trust and faith in the divine timing, because she believed in the divine timing. She also kept patience during that period of exile. She kept patience. So we have to learn that patience, the strength, the devotion she had for her husbands, right? A great character, very independent and strong. She had her own opinions and she lived by her opinions. And she had great relationship with Bhagwan Ji Shri Krishna, with whom she used to conversate and ask a lot of questions, and he used to always advise and guide her, right? So just like how Krishna Bhagwan Ji says in Bhagavad Gita, that if you come to me, if you have faith on me, if you trust me, I will be there with you. So this is the kind of trust and faith we have to build in the God, so that the God always holds our hand and leads the way.